right leg is shorter.
Right leg short?
Yep.
Yeah, I think so.
Right side tighter. That tighter. Try and relax the body. And your right side is tighter. So I think the main problem is on your right side. Yeah, a lot more muscle tension on the right as well. If you lift up the whole leg, so lift the whole leg.
This one?
Yep, and back down. Left side now. One more time each side.
Leg side?
One more time each side. And back down, left one. Left side now. Both quite different. And relax.
Ah,
Let's quite tight these ones. If I push onto these, does it go anywhere else or just local? Do you feel anything in the front or just the back?
back.
If you can't, you put a hand, yeah, that's fine. Relax the leg, relax the leg. Let me move your leg. Relax, relax. These parts.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Different or similar?
It's different.
These parts.
Yeah,
It's different or similar?
it's different.
Level sit. These ones.
It's okay.
If you try and do a sit up as well. Yep, lift up, go lift up, lift up. Yep, not all the way, so just around there. How's that in that part?
No, okay.
That's okay, is it? Yep, right, works. How's that there? These are okay, is it? Any discomfort?
Yeah, it's free.
Similar or different? Different or similar?
It's different.
Okay. Always explain what's going on. If you're happy, we'll do the treatment at the end. Let's go back.
Yeah.
So the bones are the white parts, the nerves are the yellow ones.
Yeah.
But you have gaps in between, and then the joints, they allow the spine to move. Where the body is twisting or wonky, you put too much pressure through these joints and they get irritated.
Okay.
Any questions so far?
No.
Yeah, so the joints, there too much pressure is going through them, that's why they get irritated. So So when you're trying to like move, like bending, things like that, you're putting more pressure. So what I'm trying to do is get you to your like feeling comfortable, get you back to doing football or working properly as well there. From here to here, that's me getting these joints moving. So the joints, so it can feel a bit sharp sometimes. I'm focusing on the tightest areas of the muscle. Relax the body. So keep breathing. Yep, first knee was in. So put one more on the left side. Try and relax. Yeah, so the main problem is from this right joint. Yeah, keep breathing. Yeah, so try and relax where the needles are. Okay. Yeah, this one's really tight, so try and relax this part. Have you had acupuncture before?
No.
Okay. How did you find out about this clinic then?
One of Uber driver told me about you. I shared my pain to him. He suggested me. You.
It's not Sanmeet, is it? Sanmeet? Sanmeet?
Sanmi means?
The name of your friend.
I forgot.
How long have you worked there for?
No, he was Uber driver.
So normally for work you have to lift a lot, is it?
Yeah.
How heavy normally?
It's depend on size. It could be 30 kilo, 40 kilo, sometimes 20 kilo.
Quite a bit then.
It's too heavy.
Yeah. Normally what I do is...
I didn't find anyone to suggest me. So luckily I met the Uber driver and he told me regarding this matter.
There's actually a lot of chiropractors in Cardiff. At least 30, I think.
But he told me you're the best.
Relax the body. Okay, so breathe in, breathe all the way out, all the way out. Relax the body a bit more. Breathe in, all the way out. Breathe all the way out. Try not to tense. So relax it out there. Yeah, so right now you're really guarding the area at the moment. So stretch out the lower back and then work onto the back in a second. Try and relax. Yes, the important part is to try and relax because it helps to work into the joints easier. Okay, so now work onto this joint. If you lay on your left side, this one straight off. Yep, that's good. And then pull you forwards a bit. So relax the body. So I put my leg here, do a small quick push to get that joint moving. Relax the body. Breathe in, all the way out, all the way out. One more time, all the way out. Breathe in, all the way out. Face the other way as well. Facing the other way. Hold your elbows. Relax the body. Breathe in. Breathe all the way out. Relax your body. Facing back. Facing. Good. lifting the whole leg. Lifting one leg. Lifting that straight, yep. And back down, left side, back down, left side. Good. And back down. If you stand up, good. Come back up. Bend backwards. How's that there? Easier? Yeah, twisting left and right. Good. And the other one. Good. It's easier on the directions there. That's good. You come face me. So what I'll be doing is checking your